I hear the hardheads. Where the rest of y'all? How come you only kept y'all all need to come in at one time? Come on, ducks! I don't see all of them. I see a few of them. Oh, what? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's now y'all get me confused now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, all the ducks here. Oh, Mama wants up. Come on, let's go. No, not that way. This way. Just that way. Just that way. Come on, everybody. Oh, Lord. Gonna be another one of them days. Come on. Let's go. Keep moving. Forward march. Something like that. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get in. Okay, here comes Fatty. Here comes Good Man. Here comes everybody. Come on. Y'all get in. Come on, children. Come on. Get in. Come on. They do too. Come on. Oh, don't you start acting cocky too. Okay, I think that's everybody. No, I'm missing one hen. Nope, there she is. Okay. Okay, the rest of them can fly in and out, so I don't know where they're at, but hey. Okay. I got an egg in there, but I'll get that later. I'm gonna put them up for the night. Now I gotta go deal with Sassy Pants. That's what I call him, Mr. Sassy Pants. Yes, Mama, I'm coming. Yes, I'm coming. Come on, get out. Yeah, today was a good day. Went to the property for a little bit. Look, see how y'all bowed up? Yeah. Come on. So yeah, she's doing good. And then my trader dog over there, he traded me in, I guess. I don't know what. But yeah, all the ducks are in. Whew. What's the matter, Mr. Cocky? Matter of fact, let me go get that egg before I forget about it. I gotta fix the hot wire again. I gotta figure a new way to do it. Because the way that I got it going on is not working. See, look, trash bag. Where'd it come from? I don't even shop at Super One. Lord have mercy. And I still don't know where that green thing came from. Let's see if there's any eggs underneath there. I ain't checked in a couple of days. Nope. No eggs. Huh. I need to get out here and clean this place. But as soon as you get it clean, it gets dirty again. So yeah, I gotta come out here and redo the hot wire. The ties aren't working either. So, but hey, y'all. Ooh, I hear a blue jay. When you hear a blue jay, you can guarantee there ain't no hawk around here. So, no. Hey, y'all. Have a good day. God bless. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay home. Unlike me.